This video will demonstrate a Supreme Casement Sash removal or replacement. For this, you will need a chisel or a flathead screwdriver.
Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to remove a Supreme Casement Sash. To start with, you have to open the window enough that you can access these small clips that hold your operator in place. There's one here and one out there. So first off, you're going to come down in here. I use a chisel. You can use a straight screwdriver or any tool you have available. Just pry outward on that. You'll see that opens up. That allows this arm here to release up out of there, so that portion is unhooked. And I'm going to go around to the other side. And you see up in under here, there's another one of those little clips. Unclip that. That arm releases. At that point, you can crank this out of your way as much as you want. Right there. Then you're going to want to put the chisel in underneath this hinge, and at this time you're going to want to be hanging on to the sash because it will free up once that lets go. You're going to just twist that chisel till that arm pops off. Make sure you have a real good hold on it. Take the one off of the top, and the sash is then free other than the boots on the hinge, which are these black boots right down in here, one at the top and the bottom. Slide them along until they're out of that track and your sash is out. So now we're going to replace the sash. So basically you want to set it the bottom in first. Take your black boot and make sure that it slides into that track. Once it's started there, you're going to do the same with the top boot up here and make sure it slides into the track. Slide it over, and you're going to want to reattach your top arm for your hinge. Simply push up on it, you'll hear it snap into place. Reattach the bottom one. Sometimes they're a little stubborn, but they do snap in. Then you're going to want to reattach your arms. So for this, if you look up underneath there, that back black slides in there. Make sure your latch is open. Line that up with the hole in the end of the hinge. Put that up on there. Close your catch so that don't fall out of there. We'll come back around to the inside and hook up the other arm. So this one here, you may have to fiddle with the operator some to get it to line up. Just crank your crank until that lines up with that hole in there, and then close that catch up, and it's all hooked back up.